In this video, I'll give you an overview of the PL1 product loading playlist. When it comes to product loading, you'll follow a typical process and explore several optional advanced steps. You'll discover how to copy BIM components using the Data Manager, how to adjust simplified 3D geometries, duplicate individual profiles, and even edit grayed-out 3D parameters. One essential part of the process is learning how to save your BIM component into the BIM library. Once you've completed the standard workflow, you can move on to the optional steps. Here, you'll learn how to create two types of dynamic properties: product options and BIM component rules. I'll also guide you through important BIM-related settings and show you how to expand, export, and share your library efficiently. And as the finishing touch, you'll learn how to create profiles with user-defined contours, the cherry on top of your product loading expertise. Now, go ahead and start with the individual videos to build your core knowledge of product loading.